So this is awkward. I've got people up and down the street, like on their porches watching me. But that's kind of the point of this video. I want you to see how nice this street is. This is like a lot of seniors in this community, and I am selling this house that's right behind me. And I'm gonna swing around in a minute. This is so awkward. This is a really cool street that I think a lot of other people would bypass because there's a couple of houses on the street that need a lot of work, but then most of the houses are homeowner and they've been that way a long time. And the tenants that we have in this house are living here because they love this block. It's very friendly, well watched. Believe me, they're watching me right now. Okay, so about this house, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, brand new kitchen, updated electric and plumbing, and it's getting brand new windows, and it's for sale right now. All my information is in the info box below. So what's cool about this house is next to it are those lots back there, and those lots I believe are for sale, and I will give you details about how to go about buying those lots. If you buy this house, you have to buy the house first to get the lots, is the way that it works, but link below to see that. But let me just do a pass around this neighborhood. We're in the middle of Detroit, about 15 minutes from downtown. We're really close to Palmer Park, beautiful park. This is the neighborhood. And see there, quite nice. And that's the lot there behind me, or the lots. I think it's like 4 or 5 lots. Yeah, you gotta get us.
So can I stop?
No, please just hold it up because I'll tell him in a second what I'm doing. It'll be fine.
There's like stuff on my mirror.
I wonder if these lots are available.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna like shoot us.
No, he's not. I told her I'm coming. So if you're interested in buying this house, please contact me. My contact information is right here, and it's going to be below. And once again, beautiful neighborhood. I was talking to one of the tenants that are here, that are fantastic tenants, and they were talking about how great it would be to use those lots to put in a community garden, because the people that live around here would really appreciate a garden and partake in it. And they even talked about doing bees back there, which would be fantastic. And I got this whole education about how bees from Oakland, California are superior, and I think that's because I'm from Oakland, California. I was actually born in Oakland, California, but I've been living in Detroit since I was 6 months old. So thanks for watching.